Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Cash App account to your Bank of America bank. And so if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 instantly deposited into your account. So in order to, once you install your Cash App account, you're going to want to click on the upper right hand profile icon and then scroll down to where it says linked banks. If you don't see it's saying linked banks, it's probably going to say linked cards. You do need to link a debit card in order to actually link your bank with Cash App. So go ahead and click on linked banks. And as you can see, I already have my debit card here linked with Cash App. And that's when the option to link my bank did appear. So go ahead and click on link bank again. Now from here, you just have to wait a couple seconds and then go ahead and click on continue on this prompt. This basically just tells you what Plaid is and how it's a security measure for your account. So go ahead and click on continue. And then from this window here, you should see the Bank of America icon. So you can go ahead and click on Bank of America. Now at this point, this is when you're going to log into your Bank of America account. So you want to make sure that you have the information ready. But even so, once you log in, it's pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts and select which checkings account or savings account you want connected onto Cash App. So that is how you link your Cash App account to your Bank of America account. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below and we'll each get $5 when you do sign up. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.